Welcome back to the Punch video time, and in this video I am going to be showing you how you can make a PDF file using Python. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open up your terminal and type in pip install fpdf. Now for me it should show that the requirement is already satisfied because I have already used fpdf in my previous projects. But if you run this, it should download it up and then we will be ready to continue this project. So after this fpdf is downloaded, you can go in from fpdf import capital case fpdf. So from fpdf we are importing fpdf. It is the PDF generation class of the main module fpdf for Python, our main module, and this is our PDF generation class. So the first thing we are going to do is pdf is equal to fpdf. So now we are making our PDF. Now from that we are going to want to add a page to our PDF. So now we're going to have a blank page. Now after that we want to write. Now what this line is doing is that we are creating our main PDF. The portrait orientation it's going to be A4 and it's going to be deprecated. Then after that it's going to be adding a page to that, so it's going to be adding a page to the format and everything else. And after that, if you want to write something in this, you need to have a ready-made font. So let's type in pdf.set_font donk font to be, let's say, Arial, and let's just say the size I want it to be around 25. So pdf.setFont, you know what, I'm just gonna set the size to 15 should be good for me. After that, this is going to be to create our main text. So create our text. So inside create our text, we want to add pdf.cell. Inside it, I'm gonna have 220. Let's just say it like 178 and 20. And then the text we want to add will be equal to PDF in Python. It's going to be the Punch video time. So this is going to be one cell. And then after that, I'm gonna align it. Align is equal to C. And then lastly, we are going to want to have our line. So line is equal to 1. ln is equal to 1. Now I'm just gonna take this here and now I'm just gonna copy it. I'm gonna put in here like and subscribe, align C, and now I don't want it to be line 1, I want it to be line 2. So now we got two main texts in it. Now we want to make our PDF. We want to save our PDF. So for that we want to put pdf.output, and inside that output I am going to be putting the punch_tut.pdf. So here we are importing our PDF generation class from our fpdf. From now on line 4 what we're doing is that we are making our PDF, then we're adding a page to our main PDF. Now for this whole text we are adding a size and a font for it. Then after that we are adding a cell with this text, this size, this height, this width. this text, this alignment type, and this line. Then I'm just adding 2 text instead of 1. Then after that, line 13 is just saving our main file. So if I run this, it is saying that it has gotten a unexpected argument, so I had accidentally put in an E in there. Now it's done. So if I go in here, if I refresh this, if I go in here, you can see that we now have this Dipanj video time over here, and below that we got like and subscribe. So this is how you can create a very simple PDF using Python. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipanj video time is out. Bye bye.